Hello, students in physical science. This is your teacher, John Walker. Hope you're all doing well. I'm going to show you in just a quick video of what we're going to do over the next 6 weeks towards the end of school. And this should not be that difficult. You're going to get these chapters in the mail, but I'm just going to cover quickly what we're going to be doing over that period of time. And then I'm going to do each individual chapter in more detail on a video and talk a little bit more of what's inside the chapter itself. But this is the electromagnetic spectrum that we're going to be discussing. And oops, got a little bit of light in there. So it's going to talk about electromagnetic waves, the electromagnetic spectrum itself, the behavior of light, color, and sources of light. Okay, and to me, this is just fascinating stuff. Then we're going to get into optics. We're going to talk about the eye and how does it actually perform its job for you. We're going to talk about mirrors, lenses, optical instruments, and the eye and vision. And I've had eye problems. I had some concussions when I was in the military, and it kind of set me back a little bit. And as I've gotten older, it's become a little bit more difficult, but they really have some great glasses these days. And then we're going to talk about electricity. This is something that I really do want you to learn a lot on. We're going to take a couple weeks and study electricity. We're going to talk about electrical charge, static electricity, electrical current, Ohm's law. We're going to talk about watts, volts, amps, electrical circuits, electronic devices, and those kind of things. As you know, I'm an engineer, and I had an engineering company on designing solar power using the photon of light from the sun and creating electrical energy as it displaced the electron revolving around some of the metals in our world. So anyway, and we'll talk about that. And then we're going to end the year with magnetism, and we're going to talk a little bit about magnets and magnetic fields, electromagnetism, and electrical energy generation and transmission. And does magnetism play a role in that? It sure does. It plays a pretty big role. So those are the different chapters. We're going to spend a couple of weeks on one or two of them, and then we'll end with magnetism. I hope this finds you well. I will be sending you the chapters in the mail, so get that. Be sure and turn in your work, because I'm looking to try to help you out. I will be calling everybody just to see how you're doing and to check on you and see if you have any issues. You can always email me, and you can always get a message through the school to me. So I hope you're doing okay, and God bless.